Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 72nd episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific, a podcast service of a weekly news summary about and interest to Salesian family in 26 provinces spread out in 29 countries. I'm your host, RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. The show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, Furnishing Church DECOR worldwide. Salesians launch International School of Social Communications. Father Sajan Valavi reports from Kochi in Kerala, India.
The General Counsellor for Social Communication, Father Gildacio Mendes, inaugurated online the Salesian School of Social Communication, SSSC, on September 24, 2021. Some 400 plus Salesian family members, including priests, brothers, sisters, and young people, are in the program spread over 19 regions. 82 members of 12 Salesian provinces of South Asia region attended the first online training session. The Salesian School of Social Communication is an initiative of Social Communication Department of the Congregation, Rome. The topics to be covered during SSC are Biblical Dimension of Communication, Synodal Dimension of Communication, Salesian Dimension of Communication, Institutional Dimension of Communication, and Youth Pastoral Dimension of Communication.
Polish ambassador to India visits Bandel Historical Marian Shrine. Father Arvind Khalko reports from Kolkata.
Polish ambassador to India, Professor Adam Wojciech Burakovsky, and his 9-year-old daughter Martha Agnieszka made a short visit to 422-year-old Bandel Basilica and Don Bosco Seminary Bandel on 25th September 2021. After spending time at prayer before the miraculous statue of the Blessed Virgin Mary in the balcony, headmaster of Salesian St. John's School at Bandel, Father Joe Spatical, gave the ambassador a guided tour around the church premises. After visiting the church, the ambassador moved to Don Bosco Seminary Bandel, located in the same campus. The seminarians gave them a rousing reception with smiles and welcome songs. Professor Adam encouraged the seminarians to work hard to achieve their goals in life. His 2-hour visit ended with lunch before he moved to visit Sacred Heart Church at neighboring Chandanagar town, a French colony.
Don Bosco College Maram student receives Presidential Award. NSS Program Officer Sister Sweta William reports from Maram in Manipur.
President Ramnath Kovind on 24 September conferred the National Service Scheme Awards for 2019-2020 through virtual mode from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Presidential Palace in New Delhi. One of the award recipients, Ms. Preeti Inka from Nungtek village in the None district of Manipur, is pursuing bachelor's degree in arts at Don Bosco College Maram. The 20-year-old girl was among 42 people who received the awards, given in 3 different categories such as University and Plus 2, NSS units and their program officers, and NSS volunteers. Besides cash award of Rs 1 lakh, NSS volunteer Preeti Inka received a certificate and a medal.
For sanctuary design, statues, church doors and facades, contact Church Art Kolkata, serving bishops and religious congregations worldwide for over 40 years. Our speciality, life-size outdoor Stations of the Cross, 54 items Lourdes style, and 12 apostles larger-than-life Vatican style. Our latest item, 20 Mysteries of the Rosary, 70 items Fatima style. For affordable church decor and hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco Past Pupil, churchart.ganguli@gmail.com and WhatsApp or Telegram, country code 91, mobile number 9831020945. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Shillong. Evening class and tuition center starts in Kathmandu. Father Paulson Kannapilli reports from Kathmandu, Nepal.
With green signals for offering classes in Kathmandu Valley, Don Bosco School Management Lubu decided to restart its outreach program of evening class and tuition for the poor children of its neighborhood. The beneficiaries of this initiative are the children of migrant Tamang families who live in the temporary shacks. The ethnic Tamang people are of Tibetan origin, hailing from Tipling, a place close to the Himalayas, most inaccessible for educational and health requirements. The applied prompted Salesians to begin daily 2-hour evening class and tuition program using regular school facilities. The regional coordinator for Don Bosco Nepal initiatives, Father Agasti Pulikel, inaugurated the program on 24 September 2021. There are 115 children from the local schools regularly attending this program, which is supervised by 8 teachers.
Youth Ministry General Councillor meets Don Bosco Tech Team. Member of the Youth Ministry team, Father Patrick Anthony Raj, reports from Rome.
The Don Bosco Tech India, Don Bosco Tech Africa, and Don Bosco Tech ASEAN met on September 18 online to foster ideas and proposals on how to strengthen the global umbrella under the leadership of Youth Ministry Department. During the meeting, General Councillor for Youth Ministry praised the directors of the Don Bosco Techs for having carried out various initiatives aimed at vulnerable young people in the midst of the pandemic. Present at the meeting were the executive directors of each Don Bosco Tech, Father George Matthew, Don Bosco Tech India, Father Dindo Virtub, Don Bosco Tech ASEAN, and Father George T.J., Don Bosco Tech Africa. Participants meet every 3 months to develop a common identity between all the Salesian technical, professional education and vocational training centers, and to exchange and share skill sets and best practices of each region.
Papua New Guinea holds Salesian Educators Congress. Father Ambrose Pereira reports from Port Moresby.
The first Salesian Educators Congress for the Vice Province of Papua New Guinea had the theme, "The only way forward is together." The Congress was held from the 23rd to the 25th of September at the Don Bosco Technological Institute, Boroko, with as many as 200 participants, composed of Salesian educators, priests, religious, and lay people. Screening a video on the 3 risk-taking billionaires who ventured into space to start the so-called space tourism, a dream of theirs, Father Gregorio highlighted 6 lessons encouraging the participants to dare to dream, as Pope Francis invites. Director of the Don Bosco Educational System, Father Alex explained the role, structure, and objectives of the Salesian education system. The first day ended with an inter-school sports festival. On the second day, Bishop Deputy for Education in the Catholic Bishops' Conference of Papua New Guinea and Solomon Islands, Bishop Pedro Baquero addressed the Congress. Also, Secretary for Education and Higher Education in PNG, Dr. Uke Combra, and acting the Hearst Secretary, Dr. Francis Hua La Pomi, addressed the gathering.
Salesian Bishop at International Peace Conference, Northeast India Regional Bishops' Council PRO, Father Felix Anthony reports from Miao in Arunachal Pradesh, India.
Salesian Bishop George Palliparambil of Miao Diocese from Indo-China-Myanmar border participated at the 11th International Peace Conference held at Central Institute of Buddhist Studies at Inle, the joint capital and largest city of the Union Territory of Ladakh on 21st September 2021. The conference was jointly organized in collaboration with the Ladakh Buddhist Association, the All Ladakh Gompa Association, Anjuman Imaimia, Anjuman Moin ul Islam, Christian Community, Hindu Mahasabha, and Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee. Dignitaries and guest speakers at the conference, including Bishop Palliparambil, expressed agreement with the urgent need to work toward peace and harmony at the global level and stressed the importance of overcoming narrow and rigid ideologies that lead to communal discord. They urged also the development of a new vision for the world as a single interconnected family in which all religions and communities are respected equally.
Those are the latest from Salesian News Asia Pacific. This show was brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, Furnishing Church DECOR worldwide. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.